This is lesson 7. We will be talking about the short and long sounds of the letter U. Let's first review the letter O. The short sound of the letter O sounds like ah in got, not, mob, rob, sob. In these words, you see there's a consonant, vowel, consonant, got, consonant, vowel, consonant, not, or vowel and consonant on. Short O sounds like ah. The long sound of O says its name O, like no, go, so, toe, blow, note, robe, stove. Common spelling patterns of long O are consonant O, like N-O, consonant O, G-O, go, consonant O, S-O, so, or consonant O-E, toe, or consonant OW, blow, or consonant vowel consonant silent E, note, robe, stove. The short sound of U sounds like in up, fun, gum, under, bus, The long sound of U sounds like glue, true, blue, flew, mule, fuse. Let's talk more about the short sound of U. Up, 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 cup, cup, pup, up, pup. We have up, cup, pup. Or rub, rub, cub, ub, cub, hub, hub, rub, cub, hub. Or hug, hug, bug, ugh, bug, dug, ugh, dug, rug, rug. We have hug, bug, dug, rug. Or duck, k. The CK make one sound, k, duck. Luck, uck, luck, uck, luck. Or suck, uck, suck. Duck, luck, suck. Or gum, gum. Or dumb, dumb. The B is silent, you don't hear it. Dumb. Or numb, numb. The B is silent. Gum, dumb, numb. Or fun, fun. Gun, gun. Run, run. Fun, gun, run. Or us, us. Bus, us, bus. Fuss, us, fuss. Us, bus, fuss. Or but, but. Mutt, ut, mutt. Gut, at, gut. We have but, mutt, gut. Let's look at some words that have the short U sound. The first word is sun, sun, S-U-N, sun. This is a duck, duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Jump, jump, J-U-M-P, jump. This is a bus, bus, B-U-S, bus. This is a nut, nut, N-U-T, nut. cup, cup, C-U-P, cup. This is a jug, like a jug of milk. J-U-G, jug. This is a drum, drum. D-R-U-M, drum. This is a button, button. B-U-T-T-O-N, button. This is a tub, tub. T-U-B, tub. This is a truck, truck. T-R-U-C-K, truck. And a bug, bug. B-U-G, bug. This is a gun, gun. G-U-N, gun. Brush, brush. B-R-U-S-H, brush. Trunk. This part is a trunk. T-R-U-N-K, trunk, trunk. This is a rug. R-U-G, rug. Let's read them again. Sun, duck, jump, bus, nut, cup, jug, drum, button, tub, truck, bug, gun, brush, trunk, rug. The long sound of U has 4 common spelling patterns. Consonant UE, like blue. Consonant UE, blue. True, blue. Clue. In these words, the U sounds like ooh, true, blue, clue. Another common spelling pattern is consonant, vowel, consonant, silent E, like rule. The U sounds like ooh, dude, dune, rule, tube, tune. Consonant, vowel, consonant, silent E. The U sounds like ooh. The third spelling pattern is the same, consonant, vowel, consonant, silent E. The U says its name U, like cube, fuse, use, mule, mute. A little bit different sound than this one. Blue, ooh, rule, mule, yule, mute. The fourth spelling pattern is consonant UI, consonant, like fruit. Consonant UI, consonant. Ooh, and it sounds like ooh. Fruit, 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 suit, juice. Let's look at some words with a long U sound. The first one is a cube, cube. C-U-B-E, cube. This is a tube of toothpaste. T-U-B-E, tube. This is a fuse, fuse. F-U-S-E, fuse. This is a ruler, ruler. R-U-L-E-R, ruler. The inside of your eye that's black is your pupil, pupil. P-U-P-I-L, pupil. This is the month of June, June, J-U-N-E, June. She is at a computer, computer. COMPUTER, computer. These are playing a tune, tune. TUNE, tune. This is a mule, mule. MULE, mule. The smoke that comes out of a car are fumes, fumes that you can smell, fumes, FUMES, fumes. This is juice, 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 juice. Fruit, 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 fruit. This is a suit, 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 a suit. This is perfume, 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 perfume. This is a flute, flute, a musical instrument, FLUTE, a flute. And this is glue, GLUE, glue. Let's look at these words again. Cube, tube, fuse, ruler, pupil, June, computer, tune, mule, fumes, juice, fruit, suit, perfume, flute, glue. And there's some new sight words for you. Add them to your flashcards. We have of, of, you, 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 that, 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 and we, WE. Let's find the word of in these sentences. Here it is, of. Let's read it. One of the dogs is up. One of the dogs is up. Let's find the word of in the next sentence. Here it is, of. This is one of the man's goats. This is one of the man's goats. Let's find the word you in these sentences. Number one, here's you. Are you up? Are you up? Let's find you in two. Here it is, you. You are not on the rug. You are not on the rug. And find you in three. Here it is, you. He is with you. He is with you. Let's find the word that in these sentences. Number one, here's that. That hat is on the rug. That hat is on the rug. Let's find that in number two. Here's that. Is that your hat? Is that your hat? And let's find that in number three. Here's that. That is for the cat. That is for the cat. Let's find the word we in these sentences. Number one. Here's the word we. We are on the rug. We are on the rug. And sentence number two. Here's we. Are we in the sun? Are we in the sun? And find we in number three. Here's we. We have a cat. We have a cat. Here are all the sight words we've learned so far. The, is, I, am, he, has, have, not, to, go, goes, does, do, she, are, was, were, come, for, one, said. Let's do reading with the short U sounds and sight words we have learned. Number one, the cub is under the rug. The cub is under the rug. Number 2, he has a jug of milk. He has a jug of milk. Number 3, a bug is in the cup. A bug is in the cup. Number 4, the bus is on the road. The bus is on the road. Number 5, the boat does not go in the tub. The boat does not go in the tub. Number 6, I have a cup of tea. I have a cup of tea. Number 7, do you have gum? Do you have gum? And let's read sentences with the long sound of U. Number 1, the mule does not go on the road. The mule does not go on the road. Number 2, do you have juice? Do you have juice? Number 3, I like fruit. I like fruit. Number 4, I need a suit. I need a suit. Number 5, I do not have glue. I do not have glue. That's it for this lesson.